Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get alpha chests in Animal Jam Play Wild. These rare chests contain highly sought-after items, making them a valuable find for any player. Understanding their spawn mechanics and common locations is key to successfully adding them to your collection. We'll cover the best strategies to maximize your chances of discovering these elusive treasures. Alpha chests can appear in many different places, so consistent searching is important. Focus your efforts on popular spots such as Serpia Forest, Coral Canyons, and even Mount Shivir. Remember to look closely for a distinct glow, as these chests are often cleverly camouflaged within the environment. Don't forget to explore underwater zones and player dens too. If you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Animal Jam Play Wild content. And speaking of being prepared, staying fueled for your alpha chest hunts is crucial. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. To boost your chances, consider joining an Animal Jam Play Wild community. Players often share recent alpha chest sightings, giving you a head start. Using a fast mount, like a horse or a phantom, allows you to traverse maps more efficiently. Also, logging in at various times throughout the day can help you catch new chest spawns as they refresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.